How to reverse kidney damage naturally. Every year, millions of people around the world are diagnosed with kidney disease. It's a serious, life-threatening condition in which kidneys can no longer filter waste products from the blood. The National Kidney Foundation estimates that 1 in 3 adults is currently at risk of developing kidney disease, and those odds only increase as you get older. The leading cause of poor kidney health are diabetes and high blood pressure, which in turn are caused by a poor diet and lifestyle. Therefore, the only real long-term solution to kidney disease is to drink more clean water, get more exercise, and most importantly, to avoid processed and unhealthy foods in favor of natural whole foods. Here are the top 5 foods that have been proven to boost kidney health. Asparagus. Asparagus was regarded as the perfect healing food for the urinary system for centuries in its native Europe and Asia, and we now understand why. This green spring vegetable is packed with natural compounds that give it significant diuretic and blood-purifying qualities. The regular consumption of asparagus is known to increase urine production, soothe the urinary system, boost cellular action in the kidneys, and even dissolve the acids and salts that make up kidney stones. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that a compound present in asparagus can inhibit enzyme-converting activity in the kidneys, thus preventing hypertension and preserving renal function. Garlic. Garlic has long been considered one of nature's greatest disease fighters due to its impressive concentrations of the sulfur compound allicin. A proven antibacterial, antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal and antioxidant, allicin is well known for treating 2 of the main conditions that cause kidney disease, namely diabetes and high blood pressure. However, several studies have shown that this pungent and aromatic herb could be even better for our kidneys than previously thought. One published study discovered that garlic could significantly reduce kidney damage associated with mercury chloride exposure in animals. Mercury chloride is a potential carcinogen used in disinfectants, batteries, insecticides, and many other products to which humans are regularly exposed. Another study, published in the journal Food and Chemical Toxicology, found that garlic in low doses can enhance the antioxidant function of the kidneys, thus protecting them from the cell-damaging effects of free radicals. Watermelon. There are 3 reasons why watermelons are good for treating kidney disease. Firstly, they are low in potassium and phosphorus, which are 2 minerals that dysfunctional kidneys can have problems balancing. Secondly, they are comprised of approximately 92% alkaline water, which helps flush the urinary system of toxins. Watermelon fast can even dissolve kidney stones. Lastly, they help the liver to process ammonia and deliver it to urine, thus easing the strain on the kidneys while ridding the body of excess fluids. Unlike asparagus and garlic, watermelon is high in natural sugars. For this reason, people with diabetes-related kidney disease should be careful not to consume too much of it on a regular basis. Apples. Apples are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help reduce bad cholesterol, heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. And since diabetes is closely related to renal failure, consuming apples can help protect you from kidney problems in the future. 1 or 2 apples a day is perfect. Water. Okay, so it's not strictly a food, but no guide to kidney health can overlook the most important ingredient for balancing the body. Water helps flush out toxins that can lead to bacterial infection or kidney stones, along with harmful particles in the blood. Water is the absolute best internal cleanser, and it's critical that you stay well hydrated if you have any kidney issues. There's no need to go overboard, but aim for the recommended 6 to 8 glasses a day, depending on your body weight. If you're more active, you will likely need additional water, while some may need a glass or 2 less if they are more sedentary. And remember, always choose natural unprocessed foods and drinks to be kind to your kidneys. Staying at a healthy weight and eating a balanced diet is essential for good kidney functions throughout life. If you like this video, please subscribe to Better Days, where we deliver fun and informative videos that help you become the best version of you. Till next time, have a great day.